In this video, I wanted to make a pirate coin that was perfect for those guys that love to photograph their EDC gear. Being a big fan of Peter McKinnon and his pirate coins, we really had to make something special. So, check out this video to see how we made this pirate treasure. Okay, so the other day we did this coin for the Medford Guy. It's got me thinking that we need to do our own coin. This one's going to be a little bit different. So one of the differences is it's twice the thickness of the last coin. It's a little bit smaller, but that's going to allow for a little bit of creativity and a lot more 3D look. So, pretty happy with this side so far, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a break from it and I'm going to start the other side. Yep. So pretty happy with how this looks at the moment. So I've got the Kraken on this side here. The Kraken! On this side we've got the skull and the crossbones. They've already been molded, so that's why they're in the pink wax. And I'm going to actually send this away to get molded in a cold mold, which is a silicon mold, and they'll mold directly off the wax. I'll either get it done in the brass or the bronze. So we're getting very close to this being finished off.
Release the Kraken.
So we're going to head to the casting room to do the investing. These will be ready to cast tomorrow morning.
The next day.
We've got the first skull in. Now I'm going to try and solder that in place. I've soldered the skull on this side, and I've also done the crossbone, so they're soldered in. Now we just got to solder the skull. Then it's time to finish it off. super happy on how this pirate coin turned out. Leave a comment on what treasure we should make next, and check out the final result.
This is the story of an epic battle fought on the high seas. A giant sea creature almost destroyed Captain David's ship. As a reminder of their bravery, they forged a coin that would become a symbol of their shared history. A bond stronger than steel. The coin would have the kraken on one side, and the skull and crossbones on the other.
Pirate's life.
This coin would become a cherished memento.
Do yourself a favor. Smash that subscribe button.
If you like this video, check out this one next.
Why is the rum always gone?